Alright guys, how are y'all today? So it's a beautiful day in Plano, Texas, 53 degrees. Decided to take a walk through the nature park out here. Got a couple of things for Christmas that I'm pretty excited about. One of them is this gimbal. It's the Zhiyun Crane M2. I'm using it with my Canon G7X Mark II. I also received a handy backpack, which I'll show a little bit later. I've got a little treat for you. Another present that I got this year is I did get a drone. So we're going to talk about that here in a minute. I'm going to set up a spot in order to do some flying, and it'll be my first real flights with the drone. Let's capture some stuff and have some fun today, shall we? Alright guys, so not only did I forget the batteries for the Tascam, I forgot the connection to be able to put the camera rig on the tripod. So I'm not going to be able to show you guys me actually taking off, but what I am going to be able to do is still blend some video of my walk today, as well as the launch of the drone through the drone's camera. So we're going to have some fun, and hopefully with my first real flight in open spaces, I'm not going to crash it. Hope y'all enjoy my first flight videos and hiking videos with the new gear. See you later.